Hi, is my homework. First, in the morning. In the morning, the alarm clock rings. She wakes up. He stretches. He checks the alarm clock. Someone fills the cake. He brushes his teeth. She exercises. He exercises. He takes a shower. He shaves. He fixes breakfast. He makes toast. She drinks coffee. She washes the dishes. He gets dressed. She fixes her hair. She combs her hair. She brushes her hair. She checks her schedule. He puts on his jacket. She picks up his briefcase. He picks up his book bag. She closes the door. She locks the door. He catches the bus. She drives to work. And the cat sleeps all day. Second, the night queen and the sun. The night queen and the sun argued about which of them was stronger. Unable to agree, they decided to see which one could make the traveler to take up his course. The night queen started the contest. He sent a strong black-top coat and blows coat of the man back. Instead of taking his course, the man zapped around his body even tight. The sun laughed at his apparent failure. Then he showed his power. He melted the heavy cloud from the skies and warmed the heat of the trap. The man in his heavy coat started to suffer from the heat. At last, unable to take it any longer, the man removed his coat and sat down under some trees in the shade. So, persuasion is better than forces. Goodbye. Thanks for the listen.